Speaker installation. Here's the bracket for the speaker. Before you do anything, you're going to take your bolt, which is a 5mm. Put it through the little hole right here. Use some Loctite and fasten the nut, which is a 13mm. Now we'll install the speaker. Make sure to Loctite your bolts. This bolt is a 2.5mm. Wait to tighten it all the way until you get them all in. Now you may tighten them all. Next, we're going to route the wire. We're going to follow the path of the fog light wire. Pull the wire through and attach it to the cable management clip we installed earlier. Run the wire over the top of the battery box, like we did with the fog light wire. Feed it through the panel and up the top. Leave the wire here for now. We will zip tie it later with the others. Zip tie the speaker wire to the fog light wire on the light bar here. Come back around to the front of the bike where we disconnected the horn. We need to identify which wire is ground and which one is live. Use a test light to determine this. Make sure you have a secure ground for your test light. Then pick one of the connections to test. Turn on the key and push the horn button on the controller. If it lights up like so, then this is your live connection. This is the one we'll be inserting the spade connector into. Next, we're going to route the horn wire. Plug the spade connector into the live connection. We will zip tie the wires together in a moment. Let's route the wire up through here and pull it down the other side. Zip tie the two connectors together and around the other harnesses up here. Feed the wire through like so, then pull it out the other side. Then run it through the cable management clip and follow the same path of the other wires. Leave the wire here for now.